Hello and welcome to Buy a Vet. This is Jan Hermstad, Jan at buyavet.net. Today we have a 1971 Corvette LT1 Convertible. It is code correct classic white exterior and code correct black vinyl interior. Black convertible top, numbers matching 330 horsepower, 350 cubic inch LT1 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. Features include power steering, power brakes, and AM/FM cassette stereo. This Corvette is in nice condition, drives great, and documented by its original protector plate and features desirable power steering and brakes. Paint is very good, great shine. Convertible top also is very good. The side glass shows correct date codes. Chrome bumpers show a recent and very good finish. Weather stripping is very good to excellent. Rally wheels are in place and tires are brand new. The interior of this 1971 Corvette LT1 Convertible shows very good to excellent seats and door panels and rear storage space. Very good carpet with good condition center console. Interior additions include a vintage Hurst shifter and a vintage Kenwood AM/FM cassette stereo. The numbers matching LT1 engine in this car shows original casting date March 20, 1971 and finally assembly date May 1971. Correct air cleaner, intake manifold, valve covers, and ignition shielding are all in place. Brakes are recent. Included with this car are the original owner manual, consumer info booklet, protector plate, and extensive receipts and invoices between 87 to 95, including an invoice for an engine rebuild in 95. This car has been fully serviced and all instrument gauges, lights and turn signals, etc. are working. Call us today to bring this one home. I'm Jan Hermstad at buyavet.net. My cell 404-993-5964. And thank you for looking.